Step into a world of seamless organization and efficiency with our app, where your needs meet innovation.
Unlock a world of possibilities. From electronic document handling to intuitive planning tools, explore features tailored to make your life easier and more organized. Boost teamwork with our app. Collaborate seamlessly on projects, share documents effortlessly, and elevate your team's productivity together. Access anywhere, anytime. Our app is compatible across all your devices, ensuring you stay productive whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. Harmony in every task. Our app seamlessly integrates with your favorite tools, ensuring a fluid and unified experience across all your activities. Enjoy effortless connectivity.
Imagine a tool so intuitive, it feels like an extension of your thoughts. We live in a world where IT is at the heart of every business. Many tools feel stuck in the past. From the moment you log in, you'll notice something different. A modern design, features that anticipate your needs. AI-powered troubleshooting with Copilot. It walks you through solutions like an IT expert at your side. Seamless cloud integration, Azure and GCP. Manage resources, resolve issues, automate workflows in one place. Unlike third-party services, AakashRahsi.Online AI keeps everything in-house. Pure efficiency with no risks. Personal ecosystems are at the heart of this tool. Unique dashboards and up to 50 tickets, built your way. For admins, it's a game changer. Manage everything from a powerful dashboard, you're in command. The knowledge base is available when AI isn't enough. In-depth articles and actionable insights at your fingertips. Every feature of this tool was crafted to make IT simpler, smarter, and better. This is just the Alpha Edition. The Beta Edition is coming with even smarter features. Deep AI evolution will predict your needs. Hypercloud integration automates workflows across platforms. Next-gen collaboration will allow real-time teamwork, revolutionizing IT in the cloud. The Alpha Edition is live. Test its features, share feedback, and help shape the future of IT. This project is more than a tool, it's a vision. The Beta Edition will bring you features you've never seen before.